Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my foundation routine, and the first thing I'm going to do is take my Urben Decay All Nighter Foundation in 6.0 and apply that to my Tarte Kabuki brush and just start really buffing that into my skin. I did already prime my face off camera with MAC TImecheck Lotion. I'm really taking the time to buff everything in. This is a very full coverage foundation, so you really want to take the time to work it into your skin so you can get that full coverage look without all the cakiness. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and the middle of my forehead. Next, I'm using that same brush and using patting motions. I'm really blending and working this concealer in. Again, it's a very full coverage, so you want to take the time to blend. Patting will make sure you get the most coverage in the area you want it while still blending it in. The more you buff something in and move it around, it'll shear the product out. So I really want a lot of coverage under my eyes, so I like to really pat the concealer down and make sure it's nice and set. Next, I'm going to take my cream contour kit from Anastasia, and I just like to apply the product straight to my brush and then use that again in patting motions to add some more dimension to my face. This is a lot softer than drawing lines on your face. You don't need that much product. This will save you a lot of product, and it just helps blend it in nice and softly, so you make sure you're not adding too much at once. You can always start with less and add more. Plus, this is way faster than drawing a whole bunch of stupid lines on your face and trying to blend it out. I am just using my fingers to contour the sides of my nose. I like to use my hand because it helps warm the product up so I can make sure it's nice and blended. Next, I'm just taking the lighter color in the palette and blending out in between the two contour colors, again, just to make sure it's nice and soft and no harsh lines. After that, I'm going to take MAC's Warm Rose Mineralized Powder and just use this to set all the areas on my face that we highlighted. Next, I'm going to take MAC Give Me Sun Mineralize Bronzer and use this to bronze up my face. After that, I'm just going to set my face with Max Fix Plus. This is the matte version. And then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's highlighter in Trophy Wife and highlight. And after that, I'm going to move on to lips. I'm using MAC's Morning Coffee Pro Longwear Lip Liner to line my lips first. And then I'm going to fill them in with MAC's Naturally Transformed Lipstick. And then after that, this is a new gloss from MAC and it's called Go Very Lightly, I believe, and I'm just going to apply that over my lips. And then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, Maggie Joy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.